Welcome to Real Life Investing today. Today we're going to look at a little bit of Aptos. So just a heads up, this is crypto, and it looks like it's top 32, so basically top 40. Very nice ones as far as like this is a good price for Aptos at the moment, $4.53. While the summer is here and prices are going down, this is a good opportunity to take a look at Aptos. During the summer, a lot of times your crypto does go down a little bit. So this will be a good chance for us to get a good beat on Aptos and what it's all about. So also, if you like what you see today, we just ask you to like and subscribe to the channel. Remember, whatever we say is not financial advice, but at the same time, we do enjoy talking about these cryptos and we enjoy you watching with us. So just take the time out, if you will, like and subscribe to us, if you will. Now, but if you take a look right here, we look at the 7-day, we are looking at this price being down maybe like 5%. 1 month, it is down only like 4, not bad at all. Take a look at the year. On the year, this price is down 35%. So that is giving us a lot of room and a lot of leeway to buy low and sell high. So that's exactly what we want to do. All-time high, all-time, my bad, sorry. But all-time, we could tell this is down 45%, almost 50%. So that's really good compared to where it was. So just trying to give us a heads up of where we're going and where we want to be. So there definitely Aptos has a lot of room to grow. And now that the altcoins have kind of cooled off and the prices are going down, this is the best opportunity to start looking into some of these, especially Aptos. So just a heads up on that one. Remember, the all-time high for Aptos I see here is $19.90, so almost 20 bucks. So from here, an all-time high you would more than 4x your money. Just a heads up on that. Let's go ahead and look at some Bitcoin dominance, which is at 64%, Ethereum at 9%. Taking a look at Aptos right here, I'm noticing at the moment, and I was just putting this up not too long ago, but we definitely got a price going down. I just noticed it was like a little bit of a precipice. I was trying to figure out what exactly was happening here, but a lot of people were taking profits. Pretty much there was a sell-off. So there's a sell-off at this point, and you can tell that it looks like this is going to rise. See a little bit of green here. So there's a strong possibility that Aptos will sooner or later go back above this 5. So as far as but then again, like I said, with markets being slow this summer, we might catch it at an even better rate. So just wanted you guys to see where we were, and it looks like, how can I say, this is a bargain at the moment. So I said, let me jump in, let you guys see what's happening. Let's go ahead and look at this information, new information on Aptos as far as this is what the CF, this is going to be Commodities Futures Trading Commission. So the Commodity Futures Trading Commission appoints Avery Ching, CEO of Aptos Labs, to the GMAC Digital Asset Market Subcommittee. So in other words, this particular gentleman, CEO of Aptos, is going to have, and founder, co-founder, is going to have a lot of say in Washington. So that's going to be nice for him and for Aptos. So just to give you a heads up, anything that goes on in Washington most likely will, I'm not going to say it's always going to benefit Aptos, but they have a seat at the table, so to speak. So Aptos CEO Avery Ching joins the CFTC panel to shape U.S. crypto regulations. So anything in the future is going to be molded by Aptos, and so this should be awesome. So just a heads up on that. Don't forget that Aptos is going to have a seat at the table when we're going through this material. So let's keep it going, though. We're going to try to run through some more notes as well. So right here, we see that Aptos sees a surge in tokenization as asset managers go on-chain. Aptos' tokenized economy is being fueled by issuers such as Berkeley Square, Franklin Templeton, and BlackRock. Heavy hitters. These are the heavy hitters, guys. Just a little bit of a heads up on that. Make sure you keep that in mind. Also, I mean, we had some prior information that some of you are probably already aware of, but Aptos is shortlisted for the Wyoming stablecoin project. So right here it says the Wyoming Stable Token Commission has placed Aptos as the highest scoring blockchain candidate for the Wyoming stablecoin, the first fiat-backed stablecoin issued by a U.S. state. Time for first with Solana. Well, only one I see here is Aptos, though. Just a heads up on that. So to give you a heads up on Aptos, there's these guys really like the stablecoin future with Aptos as far as giving them an opportunity. Aptos is definitely a fast chain. They don't claim to be the fastest, but they are one of the fastest out there. So let's see if there's anything else. Aptos gets Washington voice, Fibonacci targets. Well, anyways, when we say Aptos is getting the Washington voice, we're talking about the CEO, Avery Ching, right? So just a heads up on that. So Fibonacci target suggests 620 if the bull sees momentum. Let's say $6.26. We're talking about maybe some short-term action here. That's not going to be the long-term. It's definitely nowhere near the bull run. So I just want you guys to keep that in mind. So really what we're looking at here, and I'm not going to be dwelling on this one long, but Aptos, let me go back to it. Aptos at this price at 452 is a very good bargain from what I can see. Wanted to give you guys a heads up on this. And listen, not financial advice, but if things start to cool off even further during the summer, and this thing goes down to from 4 to 3, I mean, you might want to really look into getting a good portion of this. The reason being is because that, you know, by having such a large market cap, we know it's going to run pretty well, but we're maybe looking at a 10x or something at least, in my opinion. Not financial advice now, not financial advice, but we're looking at least a 10x in my opinion. But if you're getting this thing at like 3, once the liquidity starts coming back into the market in a few months, whether that's going to be in the fall or the beginning of next year or whatever, once the liquidity comes back into the market, this thing is going to be running very well. Aptos, from what I can see, has a lot of potential, and it has a lot of markets that it's going into. And it's not a part of the Ethereum virtual machine. It's its own animal. It's part of the move language. So none of that's important right now. But at the same time, just to give you a heads up, Aptos has their own customers that are different customers from other cryptocurrencies. So keep that in mind and realize that Aptos is a nice bet. And from what I can see here in this particular range, Aptos is a good price. Like I said, during the summer, after the 4th of July, you never know what's going to happen. So if this thing goes down even further, fine. But right now, it's a good look. This is Al with Real Life Investing. Keep your eyes on Aptos. And like I said, I considered it a good bargain. But do your own research. We'll talk to you later. Bye. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.